Okay guys, here's video number 4 of the making of a Cat 257 skid steer door. So what we've done is we painted it on the floor. We then got the plastic perspex, we drilled some more holes, fitted it, put the hinges up, put the 2 bolts and hinges. Then what we done, we went to the Home Depot again, got some draft excluder, put down round the inside, all the way round. Then I bought a damper there, that was what keeps the door open, and put a ball joint up the end there. So basically got a door now that actually shuts. It would shut if the door handle was fixed on the inside, but we haven't got that far yet. Here's the outside door handle. Again, $5 from Princess Autos. But here we go with the door now with the damper opening nicely so the driver can get in and out. And here's the starting of making the inside door handle. As you can see, nowhere near finished. It'll be completed on video 5. And what I did is I made up a plate to go in between and screwed that on with the door handle here to work off of.